Hi, today I'm with me Huawei Nova 11i and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now let's make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. So we should swipe just to open. We could also change this option to unlock the device directly with the face recognition. So let's switch swipe to unlock to direct unlock, and let's just also check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we could see, the face unlock option works here correct, and we just unlock the device successfully without any problems. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the PIN code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.